Hello friends, my name is Dr. Jagpal Singh Rana and I am the Associate Faculty for IT Bombay's following workshops, that is FDP 101X and FDP 201X. In the series of questions, now question number 5, we have to answer that why genuine peer assessments are required. Means the peer assessment should be genuine, or what is the need of this? Genuine peer assessments, or GPA in short, being a very important process, especially in the peers assessment to determine learning outcomes of the learners. In the absence of genuineness of learning outcome, of peers is totally wasted. Genuine peer assessments, or GPA in short, enhances the learning outcome of the learners, especially of new and complex topics. That means the new and topics which are a bit complex are easily learned by the learners and outcome of the learners is enhanced. GPA helps in learning faster and takes lesser time and effort. This is because genuine peer assessment is going to be useful for the learners in fast learning in terms of time and effort. Because if the genuineness is there, they will be able to learn from the feedback of the assessors, and this phenomena is advantageous for the peers. Feedback from the genuine assessment help in retaining the knowledge for longer duration. That means they got the feedback and the learners will retain the knowledge they learned for longer duration. Because it's the feedback who makes the knowledge more and for longer duration. Retaining is easy of that knowledge. GPA encourages active learning also, that leads to application of knowledge in solving real life problem. That means GPA encourages active learning, that learning by doing itself is more learning outcome in terms of skill. That skill is applied to solve the problem of real life, and skill is developed to solve these problems. The only GPA can determine the time, effort, value, level, worthiness of learning outcome. That means only GPA can feel the time, effort, value, levels, worthiness has been put by the learner in learning outcome. It means the effort has been put by the learner. Only GPA can tell, only GPA can determine, and the worthiness of learning outcome also is dependent on GPA. It is easy to determine the learning outcome if there is a genuine peer assessment provided in the terms of feedback and suggestions and improvement later on. So constructive feedback will play very important role in the learning outcome if provided through GPA. Learners may lose interest for new and complex topics in the absence of genuine peer assessment. This is natural phenomena and human tendency. If somebody is not being given the feedback which is supposed to be true to him in learning process or benefited in learning from the feedback received by the learners. If that is not there, the learners may lose the interest and may give up the topics which are difficult to learn and complex topic to learn. Thanks and happy learning.